Wagwan ENT.
Welcome to Empire Roller Skatering. I've been outside for some time. Let me introduce myself from WIB Radio. This is yours truly, Carl Anthony. How you doing? All right, it's nice. How about giving the band on the stand a big round of applause, the fantastic Calabash? How about it? Without much further ado, I'd like to introduce, as you know, tonight it's going to be superstar night, stars you haven't seen for some time, coming out to shine. A young man who's been saying words in Babylon and all over the place to this disgrace. Meet and greet, Max Romeo. Come on.
Times get tough, men get greedy. No more nuggets for the needy. Some a cry, some a kneel and pray. Some lose faith and them gone astray. Hope you are ready to fight this battle. It's your survival, so you all got to. We all are fighting for one just cause, to stop the forces of Babylon lost. Mama rock, Papa rock, am I getting through to you? How you feeling, Brooklyn? How you feeling? Irene? I hear you know. Yeah. I know you waited a long time for this. It's true. You know what I mean? All the bleaching in the cool outside in the line. It's true. Anyway, I said go. Grandmother used to tell me if you want to go, the nose have to run. So go, you know. In this time of tribulation, when nation is rising against nation, prediction from creation, simple out there. You know what I mean? Yeah. All we are saying, give peace a chance. All we are saying, give peace a chance. We need more love, more love, more love. We need more love. We need more love. We need more peace, more unity. We need more love. War in a Babylon, tribal war in a Babylon. Simple out there, oh yeah, simple out, oh yeah. War in a Babylon, tribal war in a Babylon. Simple out there, oh yeah, simple out, oh yeah, now, oh yeah, war, rumors of war. I wanna tell you now, oh yeah, now, all we are saying, give peace a chance. All we are saying, give peace a chance. Oh yeah, when from pride then come shame. A man pride shall bring him love. So love, the Hannah shall uphold the humble. Hannah shall uphold the humble. And we know it's true, yeah. Oh yeah, war in a Lebanon. I said the Victor down a Iran. I wanna tell you now it's love. Oh yeah now. Oh yeah, dread in a El Salvador. A down in a Nicaragua. It's love. Oh yeah now. Oh yeah. Marcus Garvey prophesied saying, one should be many miles away, yeah. In these times, I man sat upon the mountain top, watching Babylon burning red hot, building up the nuclear stockpile. I wanna tell you now it's love. Oh yeah, it's love. Oh yeah, war, rumors of war. I wanna tell you now. Oh yeah now. Oh yeah now. There you go.
About this time, I'd like to have a very special treat. We have two brothers going to be doing something very fantastic, but we're going to bring them up individually. Meet and greet the Empire Roller Skate, brother known as Tinga, Stewart. Come on.
Them a lick shot, them a get flat. Them a lick shot, them a get flat. Down in my hometown, bad boy them shoot me down. Them ram me and beat me up. Me have to turn for me massacre. Them a lick shot, them a get flat. Them a lick shot, them a get flat. A lot of people won't get no supper tonight. A lot of people won't get no supper tonight. 'Cause the battle is getting hotter in this iration. I'm a Gideon. A lot of girls won't get no sex tonight. A lot of girls won't get no sex tonight. Why? Because the man them ration in a this your fashion, in this iration. What you say? A lot of girls won't get no loving tonight. A lot of girls won't get no loving tonight. 'Cause remember, a great Jehovah, and He will guide you in the mighty day. Them a lick shot, them a get flat. Them a lick shot, them a get flat. Everybody, shh. Down in my own town, them rob me and beat me bad. Me have to turn to me guns. I feel the bass. You like bass, eh? Bass wild. A lot of people won't get no supper tonight. A lot of people won't get no supper tonight. 'Cause the battle is getting hotter in this iration. I'm a Gideon. Them a lick shot, them a get flat. Them a lick shot, them a get flat. Yeah! What you say?
If you would, one more time for the brother known as Tinga Stewart. Come on.
What's
Yes.
I know?
Thank you very much. In this business, one brother is not good without the other. Meet the other half of the Stewart family, the brother known as Roman Stewart.
Right now, you could give me a much better applause, you know. Now go on. Right now, this one called Gambling. Alright, now Mr. Man play a whole heap of racers, you know, but me let it go, you understand? Very nice. I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling. Me not no lucky, I'm no gambling boy. I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling. Me I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling boy. Gamble race us and me ask from last. Gamble Peter Pat them woulda kill me with Jack. Gamble bone dice and every nickel, and every nick is a double six. Boy, I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling. Me I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling boy. I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling. Me I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling. Now go gamble again. Oh no, I don't have any love. Oh no, me I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling. Me I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling boy. I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling. Me I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling boy. I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling. Me I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling boy. I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling. Me I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling boy. Now go gamble again. Oh no, I don't have any love. Oh no, no, I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling. Me I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling boy. I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling. Me I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling boy. Gamble race us and me ask from last. Gamble Peter Pat them woulda kill me with Jack. Gamble bone dice and every nickel, and every nick is a double six. Boy, I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling. Me I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling boy. I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling. Me I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling boy. Now go gamble again. Oh no, I don't have any love. Oh no, let them hear it. Me I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling. Me I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling boy. I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling. Me I'm no lucky, I'm no gambling boy. Yes, I love that one.
Romeo and Tinga Stewart, a big round of applause, everybody. Yeah.
Can't see clearly, 'cause I worked hard last night. It must be a vision, 'cause there's no change in sight. I see a big, big, oh Lord, where all ends meet. It must be Freedom Street, oh Lord, a Freedom Street. Everybody knows we gonna walk, talk, hey, suck it to me girls, walk. We're gonna talk, we're gonna walk, talk. You got freedom, freedom, freedom. You got to tell children too. We're gonna walk, talk.
Thank you.
We want to keep going. We just want to go way back. Like to say it's a pleasure being here. We're going to take you way back. We just want you all to remember that you're on video now. So you can shout out loud. These songs you can sing too. I want to hear you. I'm gonna tell you good. Thank you. And I don't want to see you. Sing on up. I'm leaving you behind. But it's just for a time. Don't worry about me when I am gone. Just scare yourself till I return. Don't fret yourself, don't point too much. I'll soon be back with that magic. Let me hear you. I'm gonna tell you good. Take it down. I want to hear you much louder and much clearer too. Take it back from the top, just one more time. I'm gonna tell you good. Louder, cause I don't wanna see you. Thank you, I'm leaving you behind. But it's just for a time. Oh baby. Ooh, ooh girl. Well, need you woman, babe. I'm gonna tell you goodbye. I'm gonna tell you, hey, I'm gonna tell you goodbye, babe. Cause I don't wanna see you cry, babe. I'm leaving you behind, girl, but it's just for a time. Ooh, need you woman. Hey, baby. Well, watch it. Like to go way back still. This one is moving away, so you can sing too. Yeah. God tells you, God, take it down. Need your woman, but you keep on, you're moving away in so many ways. Hey woman, you keep moving, you keep moving. Hey baby, you keep on moving. You're moving away. Hey, in so many ways. Take it up all the way up. You keep moving. You keep on. You keep on. Keep on.
Mr. Campbell, everybody, come on! Louder, Campbell! Continue with the super session. This young man, I introduce him all the time by saying, what a joy, oh boy. This is the dean of reggae music. Meet and greet, Delroy. Wilson, come on!
Thank you. Yeah, yeah. You're trying to you never will conquer me. You're trying to conquer me. I am. You never will conquer me. Alright. You're going around and you're saying you are the greatest. Is it the right thing to do? You're so big running, begging for mercy. I'm gonna prove it to you. Hey, you're trying to you never will conquer me. I am. You're trying to conquer me. Alright. You never will conquer me. Hey, you're going around and you're singing, you are the greatest. Is it the right thing to do? Oh no, no. You should be running, begging for mercy. I'm gonna prove it to you. Hey, you're trying to conquer me. Alright. You never will conquer me. I am. Hey, right. Oh, I'm trying. Thank you. Not true. I want to say, look, one love to all the Brooklyn posse. Not true. The Bush. We are called again posse too. Not true. The 90s posse. Not true. Not true. Not true. I want all of you to put your hands together for yourself. Let me hear it. Come on. Clap yourself. Come on. You want to me who said that? No. Clap me too. Not true. Good night. I'm in a dancing mood, hey, yeah. I'm in a dancing mood. I'm in a dancing mood. When you feel the beat, you got to move your feet. You got to clap your hands. Come on. You got all the soul deep down inside. 'Cause you cannot. Hey, I'm in a dancing mood. I'm in a dancing mood. I'm in a dancing mood. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm in a dancing mood. Hey. You got to move on your feet.
You got to clap your hands. You got all the soul, yeah, deep down inside. 'Cause you can't hide, yeah. I mean, nothing say more. You want me to dance to you, people? You want me to dance to you?
How about a big round of applause for the Dean, Delroy Wilson? Right about now, like anybody who hails from the north coast of JA, known as Montego Bay, to feel proud and stand firm, because here is your native born, with hits like Behold, and so on and so more. You can't beat them. One of the baddest duos in the biz. Philip James, Lloyd Campbell, the fabulous Blues Busters. Come on.
Oh girl, you are my inspiration. Oh girl, you're my destination. Girl, I live my life just for you, and there ain't nothing in this world I wouldn't do for you. So please, please believe me, every word I say to you. You are my darling. You're the only one that ever treats me right. Oh yeah, you make me happy when I'm blue, and there ain't nothing in this world I wouldn't do for you. So please, please believe me, every word I say to you. You inspire me in every way that makes me wanna live another day, baby. And oh, you're mine, you're having to hold. And I love you, baby, you know, shine so bright. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Inspiration. Oh, baby, you are my destination. Great to see all those lights, guiding lights. Shine so bright. Written by the Blues Busters and was recorded by Dennis Brown. We know you know that one. Here's something you don't know. We would like to send a message to you. Millionaires in society who cherish their great wealth and their legacy. What about the people who work their fingers to the bone, building your factories and breaking your stones? Think about them when you're making your will. Think about how much you've exploited all of their skills, and give a little more, a little more. It belongs to the people. Why don't you give a little more, a little more? It belongs to the poor people. Why don't you give a little more to the poor? Now listen, you millionaires in society. In the Bible it says, don't take what don't belong to thee. So what about the people who helped you while you were growing? Where is the kindness and the love you're supposed to be showing? You're driving 3 Rolls Royce, you got 4 Mercedes Benz. Go to the Playboy and you lose 12,000 each night with your friends. So give a little more, a little more. It belongs to the people. Why don't you give a little more, a little more? It belongs to the poor people. Give a little more. Why don't you share your wealth with the people? Give a little more. You can't take that money wherever you go. When you're going to die, give a little more. Share your wealth to the poor. It's good for your health. Give a little more. It belongs to the poor. Why don't you give a little more? Give a little more to the poor. It belongs to the poor. Give them, give a little more. What they deserve, it belongs to the poor. They were the ones that helped you when you were growing up in the world. Give it to the people. Oh yeah, yeah. Thank you. that you are in my embrace. Say you're gonna thrill me with your little baby face. And I wanna tell you, darling, this is no disgrace. Oh, no, 'cause I'll have you to be my bride. Come a little closer, and I want you right by my side. Oh, and I need you, oh, so bad. One more time, I want you, baby, to be my bride. Don't you know? Right by my side.
Right now, we have part 2 of our evolution state of experience. We have Big Youth, man who originates reggae music, one of the men that originate music, and Leroy Sibbles, lead singer from the Heptones. Right now, I want us to put our hands together and welcome a man called Leroy Sibbles to the Empire State Ring. Ladies and gentlemen, Leroy Sibbles. Man called Leroy Sibbles. Bad vocalist. Yeah, Leroy Sibbles, ladies and gentlemen.
Tilly boom, yeah, listen. Are you ready? Are you ready? Really ready? Tell me you're ready. Yeah, everything will be alright. So come on, everyone. Yeah, it's time that we should have some fun. We've got to live some life before we're old. We've got to live some life before we're old. Come on, dear. Oh yeah. I just I wanna do the trench down people. I just I wanna do I'm my people, yeah. Thing we say. I just I wanna do a trench down from 1st Street to 13th Street, yeah. Live some life, gonna live some life. Bad man can't stop us. No iniquity work I know. I say now round the back they've got to go. Yeah, we've got to live some life before we're old. We've got to live some life before we're old. Boom, Dennis Brown is say, yeah. Special dedicated to Sister Bev. Yes. Studio One style, this one called Sweet Talking, y'all. Yes, if now I say, let's go dancing. Come on and dance with me. baby, you will see that these words we've been talking. Come on and talk to me. Make our little hearts set free. Dance with me. If now I say, let's go dancing, yeah. Come on and dance with me. Oh, that these words we've been talking, yeah. Come on and talk to me. Make our little hearts set free. Dance with me. Dance with me. Dance with me. This is what I rock steady. And just I rock it in a different style. Lord, in a different style. I say them rock it in a different style. Yeah, keep it there. Come on, we're having a party tonight. Oh yes, where the music is steady and everything is alright. We'll be dancing and everyone will be singing the song. We're gonna have a reggae party where you can't go wrong. Come on, we're gonna have a rock steady party tonight. Come on, when everything is alright. Come on, we're gonna have a rock steady party tonight. Come on, when everything is alright. Come on, be a saint. Oh boy, I really don't like that. I'm telling you, man, yeah, I really don't like that. You're acting like a yo-yo, baby. Oh, like a yo-yo, baby. Come on, we're having a party tonight, where the music is steady and everything is alright. We'll be dancing and everyone will be singing just song. We're gonna have a reggae party where you can't go wrong. Yeah. How you feeling? I say, how you doing? Take it right down there. It's early morning, we're gonna continue. Lick it hard, mama, brother. Lively up the dance, make we lively your party. Hey. Oh, it's a beautiful sight to see. Watch that. Brothers and sisters in unity. The music is playing. Look how the dance all come. And everyone just a ball out. And when the DJ talk, yes. And just a rock and come on, just a skank in the dance. Everyone, yeah. Then just a rock and come on, just a skank in the dance. Everyone, some drinking hot beer, some drinking stout. Who not have a battle, him have a split in his mouth. Some man not even that, him just a rocket within that. And if a man can't buy a juice, him a go drink ice water. Him just a rock and command everyone, yeah. Them just a rock and command, just a skank in the land. Everyone, yeah, yeah. Them just a rock and command, just a skank in the dance. Everyone. Them just a rock and command, just a skank in the dance. Everyone, yeah, yeah. Some drinking up beer, some drinking stout. Who don't have a battle, him have a split in his mouth. Some man not even that, him just a rocket within that. And if a man can't buy a juice, him a go drink ice water. Then just a rock and command, just a skank in the dance. Everyone, yeah. Then just a rock and command, just a skank in the dance. Everyone, yeah, yeah. Then just a rock and command, just a skank in the dance. Everyone, yeah. Then just a rock and command, just a skank in the dance. Everyone, yeah, yeah. Rock on, yes. Look so nice, yeah. Like we all in a paradise. Hold on for your sister, hang on me brother. They just a rock, yeah. Rocking time, yeah, yeah. We're feeling now. Hey, okay. I might have to leave this here party. I sing, I hope you've been naughty. I sing, I man got to go. Next time you come, I man show. Bye bye, yes. Bye. I'm gonna see you. Bye. Oh.
Let's hear it for Leroy Sibbles. Yeah. Round of applause for Leroy Sibbles. One of my favorite entertainer, performer, singer, messenger, whichever way you choose to identify it, classify it, characterize it. Leroy Sibbles. Right now, I am going to put my state of disposition on the line. Right? See to the fact that you demonstrate your appreciation to such high degree of disposition, I am going to vibrate with you and think that you wouldn't mind experience another song from Leroy. Am I right or wrong? Boy, Leroy, I don't know if you had another song rehearsed with the band, but I don't think you have a choice. We're going to request Leroy to come forward and do another song before we bring you on stage. Right? Ladies and gentlemen, let's insist that we get Leroy Sibbles to come and do another song for us. Leroy Sibbles, lead singer from the Heptones, man who also plays some very, very, very serious bass. He was also responsible for the rhythmical arrangement for the musical youth song the other day. What's the name of it? Pass the coach here. Right. Leroy Sibbles, you gonna do another song for us? Leroy? Leroy Sibbles, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, Leroy Sibbles.
Yeah, this one dedicated to each and everyone, y'all. Yeah, ain't no love, come on. Like my baby's love, like my baby's love. It's like a burning fire, shed up in my bones, shed up in my bones. There ain't no lonely days, no. There ain't no lonely, lonely night. I think every little thing my baby does, I know that girl's alright. That girl's alright. I never found me a girl. Too fast, Jaman. Take it down a little bit. Yeah, make it mellow, you know, child. Yeah. I want to tell you something really. If everything for me was going right, my greatest wish would be me on my own bed here tonight. I would sing my heart, my soul melody, sing for you when you stay with me. There ain't no love like my baby's love, like my baby's love. It's like a burning fire, shed up in my bones, shed up in my bones. There ain't no lonely days. There ain't no lonely, lonely night. I think that every little thing my baby does, I know that girl's alright. Know that girl's alright. I never found me a girl. Never found me a girl. Never found me a girl to love me like you do. Could it take the effects off a little bit and give us a clean mic, please? Jeez, please. Yeah. Oh yeah. I like it like that. Yeah, some more solid. We're all sensitive people with so much to give. Understand me, people. And since we've got to live, oh, let's live. I like it. I think there's nothing wrong with me loving you. No. And giving yourself to me could never be wrong. If your love is, see, you're doing it again, you know? Sure. We get a chuck. I tell you, yeah. So, yeah, man, take off the whip effect, man, and let it natural. Cause we're natural and we're real. See?
Yeah, yeah, say, I need a fat girl. I need a fat girl tonight. I need a very, very fat girl. A fat girl tonight. I'm in the mood, yeah. I'm in the mood. I need some food now. I need some food. I'm feeling rude now. Yeah, I'm feeling rude. I say now, when you watch out, I'm on the left, see? Because man, I'm going to fuck up this thing. Watch out, I'm on the left, you see? Another time, another place. Yeah, because we can't deal with this. Engineer them fuck up the whole show, me I show you, because a pure echo and echo, me can't take that, see? Why not try it again? Jano, I'm a patient man, see? Come on, man, let's sing that little chorus again. I never, never found me a girl. Cut it, cut. Never, never found me a girl. Never, never found me a girl to love me like you. I might really love you, yes. I might really got to sing for you. Yeah, Mr. Marvin said, he said, we're all sensitive people, so much to give. And since we've got to live, oh, let's live. 'Cause I love you. I think there's nothing wrong with me loving you. I really, really love you, yeah. And giving yourself to me can never be wrong. If your love is true, I really want this thing, get it on. We got to get it on. Get it on, we got to get it on. Yeah, get it on, we got to get it on. Get it on, we got to get it on. Yeah, get it on, we got to get it on. I really got to go, so got a little message. I'm really sorry it went the way it did, because I'm on the plan something better than this, but more time, you know, just can't know all things, and I just felt the same. Right now I gotta go, but I wanna leave a little message with you that I say that I say good night, people. Pleasant dreams and be good, people. May tomorrow be sunny and bright. Bring you closer to Jah. Before I go, there's just one thing I'd like you all know. You keep your love still strong for me. Don't you let it grow cold. No, 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 no. Bye-bye, people. Shall you just gonna come? I got to go. Some music, I hope you like it some. Bye-bye, see you next time. See you, yeah, hey. Jah love you, I might love you too. Say keep yourself so good and fine, yeah. Keep yourself so good and fine. Keep yourself fine. Love your brother, your sister, one another. Be good, good. For the band, put your hand, come on. Yeah, 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 yeah. I hope I had my own band to groove to you and move to you, yeah. I will gonna do it someday. Ain't gonna stop. No, no, no. Jah love you, keep you till I may come again. I'm gonna come again. Yes, yes, yes. Jah.
Leroy Sibbles, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hear for Leroy Sibbles. Come on, show your appreciation for Leroy Sibbles.
Wagwan ENT.